Time to get started on the mass airflow sensor. Once you have the hood open, you can come right over to the engine and you see the air intake. You see these wires coming off of it right here. That's where the sensor is. You're going to squeeze this tab with your thumb or whatever you got. Check it out. Make sure it looks decent. We're going to use a Phillips head and remove those two screws. Grab the unit, draw it straight up and out. So let's just grab our new one. Take a look at them side by side. Make sure you have the same mounting holes, same connection ports. Got this area in here. That's where the metering happens. Very important. We're going to take the new one, slide it right in just like this. You can see where the clip is or where it's going to go. Goes on like that. The kit comes with brand new screws in case you wanted to replace them. Sometimes the Phillips heads strip out. It even comes with the tool you're going to need to install it. Grab our new screws. Snug those up. Make sure they're nice and tight. You don't want any air getting past this because it won't be metered and it'll cause a runnability issue. Let's clean up our mess. We'll get this connected back in. Start it up, run it for a while, make sure there's no check engine light.